and I are hanging out by ourselves. My husband's out of town traveling for work. It's raining outside, it's storming. We can't go outside and play. So we thought we'd play with makeup. Yeah? Yeah. So today, hold on, Daisy is ready. She is going to do my makeup. She's in her fancy director chair. You gonna do my makeup? Yeah? Are you a good makeup artist? She loves playing with makeup. Daisy, how old are you?
2.
Good job. Okay, you ready to get started? Okay, here we go. Okay, Daisy's ready. She's got her first product. What is that?
Makeup.
Okay, Miss First, you want to turn and face me a tiny bit so you can do a makeup? Okay, what's first? What do you think you do first?
That one.
Do you think you want to do my face? You want to do powder?
No.
No.
Oh, that one.
You want to do, is that for eyes? Or what do you can do that for whatever you want.
Okay.
Pick a brush.
Okay.
We've got a little setup here for her. Okay?
I need that baby one.
You want that one? Okay. Go for it, girl.
Open it.
Yes, ma'am. You gotta show the camera what you're using. What color is it?
A bucket.
What? Sparkle. It's sparkle color. Where? Oh, on my cheeks? Yes, girl. Ooh, pretty. You gonna do the other cheek? Ooh, thank you. It's actually eyeshadow, but that's fine. It can be a bronzer. Oh, other cheek. Ooh, yes, girl. Look at that contour. You do another cheek? Oh, thank you. Is that enough of that? No.
That's not enough.
That's probably enough. Oh, thank you. Oh, yes. Look at that. Do you want to do my eyeshadow with the other one? Look, I have fun eyeshadow palettes for you. Here, let's put this one down. You want to use that product while it's on there? You want to do that cheek? Okay. Yeah, that's a good cheek.
Okay.
Thank you.
I don't have that one.
Okay, you want to use the eyeshadow brush? Okay, let's trade. You want that one? Yeah. Okay, you tell me what, well, that one, you probably want that one, huh? Probably want
That one.
this one. Okay, you want to show the colors?
Yeah.
This will be fun.
A little harsh. That one.
Okay. Oh, back to my cheek. This cheek's gonna be really beautiful. Oh yeah, that is one sparkly cheek right there. Oh, back to the, okay. What about my eyes? Do you think you could do my eyeshadow? You want to use maybe the pink or purple on my eyes?
Purple.
Purple?
Purple.
That is purple.
But
Okay, that's good. How about that? That was good. How about my eyes? My eyeshadow? Good job.
that back away.
Okay. Oh, back to my cheek.
That one.
Okay. What about this side? This side's feeling lonely. Thanks. Aren't you supposed to blend? You know, like you do like this with your brushes. Don't you do that? Yep. There we go. This is pretty. I look like I'm going to war. Oh.
I'm using that brown one.
Okay, you can use the brown one. Do you need me to get you more colors?
Yeah.
Okay, I got you green, blue, orange.
I'm green.
Okay, green?
Yeah.
Let me know if you want a brush.
Okay.
Oh, back to my cheek.
I'm gonna blush.
What about my eyes? Can you give me some eyeshadow? Ooh, good job.
Here you go.
Did you just toot?
Yeah.
Excuse you.
I'm done.
Okay.
I'm done.
You're done with that one. What color you want now?
I want that one.
Okay. You want the brush again?
No.
Want to use your fingers? Okay. Maybe this was a bad idea. At least I know if I ever need war paint, she is the girl for the job. Wow, those are some good lines. Editorial look today. Is that what we're doing?
It's makeup.
There's some makeup. Are you having fun? Can you do my eyeshadow again? Ooh, thank you. Ooh, my eyebrows. Look at that.
Your arms.
No, not my arms, just my face.
Your head.
Okay, whatever, girlfriend. Yes, girl. That is pretty. Oh, God. Okay. You don't need to scrape into it. Oh, my gosh. Okay, let's be done with digging in the eyeshadow for now.
More.
More? You want to go for some orange?
Yeah.
Okay. This is eyeshadow. Can you put it on my eyes? Okay. You want to do yours? You want to do your eyeshadow?
I want to use my fingers.
No.
I'll make colors.
Okay, make colors, girlfriend.
What colors?
Look at that. That's pretty.
And
This side? Ooh, do I look like a tiger? Rawr. Is that loud?
That's it. Orange.
Want my eyes? Ooh, pretty. You're quite the makeup artist, baby. Oh, my eyebrows. Look at those.
I got.
Oh, do you want to put some blush on?
Yeah, I want that one.
Blush for my cheeks?
That one?
Okay. You want a brush?
No.
No?
Use my finger.
Just your fingers?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have a brush.
Oh, now you want a brush?
That one.
Okay. Ooh, pretty. All right. It's very shiny, and shimmery, huh? Lots of sparkles?
Yeah.
Is this,
This is sparkles.
this is sparkles?
Yeah.
Is this fun? You like to play makeup?
Yeah.
What's your favorite makeup?
That's my favorite makeup.
That's your favorite makeup?
Your teeth?
What?
Your teeth?
My cheeks are fine, yeah? Hey, you forgot blush. We gotta do blush first, don't we?
Yeah.
Can't complete a makeup look without blush.
I want a
Blush
brush.
brush?
Blush brush.
Blush brush. Can you say that?
Blush brush.
Blush brush. What color is the what color is the blush?
Pink.
Pink. Where's the blush go?
On your teeth.
On my cheeks. Good. Yeah, good job. Whoa.
Pink one.
Pink one? You want one that shows up better?
Yeah.
There you go.
Colors.
Colors. Oh, they're good.
Papa.
Good job.
This is pretty.
It's pretty.
Dadam.
Wow, you actually didn't do too bad on my lips. Good job. You want some? Pretty. Look in the mirror. Wow. Give me a kiss. Don't lick it. Okay, say yay, that's all.
Papa.
All done. Say thanks for watching.
To keep watching anymore.
Any more? How about some sparkly gloss?
Okay. That'll be excited.
What?
That'll be exciting.
That'll be exciting. Some sparkly gloss. Okay, it's for your lips. Or for Mama's lips. Good job. Ooh, look at that. Is that pretty? Thank you. Okay, put it in here.
Okay, more.
John, oh, Any more? Uh-oh. More? Oh gosh. I have so much lipstick on. It's on our teeth.
I'm getting more. Oh, more! Give me more.
Did I create a monster?
More.
Did I create a monster? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, this is gonna be the last one though, okay? The last thing. You checking yourself out in the mirror?
That's on my face.
Wow, that's really pretty.
And you?
Okay. Thank you. Ooh. I'm not mad about all these colors combined. Like, the color palette is there. It's just the technique that needs a little bit of work.
For nose and my teeth?
Yeah. Nose and cheeks. Oh, pretty.
And your nose?
Okay.
And your teeth?
Thank you.
And the eyebrows?
Thanks. I also have like this chunk of lip gloss, if y'all can't see that. Oh yes.
Is it pretty?
It's so pretty?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's lay down.
Okay. Okay, I think that's a wrap. How do you think you did?
Pink.
You did pink? Do I look pretty? Yay! Okay, so if you have an occasion coming up where you need makeup services and you would like to book Daisy, just shoot me a message and we'll make sure to get you on the books. Thanks for watching. Say bye. Blow kisses.
More.
You want to keep going?
Yeah.
Oh man, but there's so much makeup on my face.
More.
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 We gotta be done soon.